Alright, this is part 3, guys. My name's Mike Keeler. I'm a public adjuster here in Florida. The name of the company is the Claim Squad Public Adjusters. And part 3 this is a series of 7 different videos. How to handle a homeowner's insurance claim. Part number 3, inspection by the adjuster and anybody else, others. Engineers, plumbers, electricians, whoever. Let's get into this video. So when you're setting up the inspection and you're communicating with the adjuster, number 1, you want to make sure you have the individual's name. And number 2, I prefer that you do it by email. Now, when the adjuster's there, it's okay to video him. Let see what he does. And go around the house with him, right? Number 2, if you have to be there, then try to video. But I would prefer that you're not present. Listen, a lot of you guys work and try to make it and bust your rear end to accommodate this adjuster. My advice is have a friend, have your husband, have your wife, have a neighbor present. So if you are the wife and your husband's working, how you handle the situation, because what they're going to try and do is be sneaky and ask some questions and try to catch you in different types of possible lies, or not telling the truth, or you telling the truth and they change things around, which is a big point I'm going to bring up. But wife, you tell the adjuster, hey, I don't know much about what's going on. My husband's handling everything. Husband, okay, if you're there, say, listen, with all due respect, my wife's handling everything. I have no idea really what's going on. If you have a neighbor, friend, other relative, you tell these people pretty simple. Listen, you really don't know what's going on, so if they ask you a question, just say, listen, I'm just here letting you in. Now, I say that because this is what has happened in the past on several occasions. Limit the conversations. If you have to be there, limit the conversations. And again, I prefer that you don't. There has been many instances where the insurance company has their adjuster out, says that he meets with the insured at the property and the insured told him XYZ, so they're denying the claim. On a couple of those occasions, here's a great thing. The insured had cameras in the house. They were never there. The other thing is, when people have been there, they have changed around what you said to them to hurt your claim. Yes, they have done this. So this is why I don't want my clients at the inspection. If these people are going to be so scandalistic that they're going to lie about what you've said, or lie about having a conversation with you when you were never there, I don't even want my clients around. That's the orders I usually give. And thankfully, the majority of my clients can't be there anyhow because they're busy during the day. So the same thing applies with these others that the insurance companies bring in, whether it's an engineer, leak detection person, plumber, a roofing consultant. All these people are not there to help you and try to find what your issue is. An engineer, if he's up on your roof or has to come in because you have a pipe break, or they're not there to help you and try and get it covered. These people are what I call claim denial specialists. Anybody affiliated with the insurance companies, one role. They have one role. Try to find a way that we don't have to pay these people or pay the least amount of money. So there's no reason you should never engage in a conversation with these people. What I just said in the previous slide goes to this slide as well. Don't have a conversation. Don't say, you can say hi, come on in, but don't say anything else. Pick up your phone, make it look like you're on the phone, go in another room, say, hey, I've got work to do, sorry. Any questions they ask, you don't answer. These are claims denial specialists. Nothing good is going to happen with your claim when these people come out. Because truly, if the insurance company wanted to find out to help you, they would say, hey, Jane Smith, Listen, we want to bring a plumber out. Do you have a good plumber that we can use or your own? Listen, we want to make sure that your roof is really damaged. Do you have a roofer we can call on that can help us determine if you need a new roof? Or, listen, what about an engineer? Is there somebody in your area we can call? No. They've got their book of soldiers, these claim denial specialists, and they just, whatever they need, these people have worked for these insurance companies hundreds of times. So, just a few tips here I wanted to share with you guys on the inspection part of it. We're wrapping it up. I think this is a pretty simple and self-explanatory video. So let's move on to the very last slide, which is, do me a favor and like this video. Subscribe to the channel if you enjoy some of the content that you're seeing. And finally, again, my name's Mike with the Claim Squad Public Adjusters. I'm a licensed public adjuster in the state of Florida. Here's how you can get a hold of me if you need help with a claim, advice on a claim, or if you're in the state of Florida and want me to help and represent you. Here's how you can reach me. Thanks for watching this video.